Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a photography enthusiast or just someone looking to up your videography game, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of mirrorless cameras in 2025, showcasing the best models that strike the perfect balance between performance, portability, and advanced features. And the best part? All the products we discuss are available on Amazon, making it super easy for you to find the perfect camera for your needs. Be sure to check out the links in the description below for more details and to grab your favorites. So, without further ado, let's jump right into our list of the best mirrorless cameras of 2025. Number 5. Sony A9 III. The Sony A9 III represents a significant advancement in the realm of professional mirrorless cameras, building upon the legacy of its predecessors while incorporating innovative features that cater to the demanding needs of photographers and videographers alike. With its impressive 24.1 MP full-frame Exmor RS CMOS sensor, the A9 III delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail and dynamic range, allowing users to capture breathtaking shots in a variety of lighting conditions. One of the standout features of the A9 III is its remarkable continuous shooting speed, capable of capturing up to 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This makes it an ideal choice for sports, wildlife, and fast-action photography, where every split second matters. Additionally, the camera boasts an advanced autofocus system with 759 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points, ensuring rapid and precise focus on subjects, even in challenging conditions. The A9 III also excels in video capabilities, offering 8K recording at 10 bits, which is a game-changer for filmmakers looking to achieve cinematic quality footage. With support for various codecs and an array of customizable settings, this camera is designed to meet the needs of professional videographers who require flexibility and high performance. Number 4. OM System OM3. The OM System OM3 camera marks a significant evolution in the world of mirrorless photography, building upon the legacy of its predecessors while introducing advanced features that cater to both amateur and professional photographers alike. This compact camera is designed with a rugged, weather-sealed body, making it ideal for outdoor adventures and challenging shooting conditions. One of the standout features of the OM3 is its impressive image stabilization system, which allows for sharp and clear images even in low-light situations or during handheld shooting. Coupled with a high-resolution sensor, the OM3 delivers stunning image quality with rich colors and incredible detail. The camera's user interface is intuitive, with customizable controls that enable photographers to quickly adjust settings on the fly. The OM3 also supports a wide range of shooting modes, from stunning landscapes to fast-paced action shots, ensuring versatility across various photography genres. In addition, the OM System OM3 boasts advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless sharing and remote control through a smartphone or tablet. This feature is particularly beneficial for photographers. Number 3. Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III marks an exciting evolution in Nikon's mirrorless camera lineup, building on the strong foundation laid by its predecessors. Designed for both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts, the Z6 III combines advanced imaging capabilities with user-friendly features that elevate the photography experience. At the heart of the Z6 III is a newly developed full-frame sensor that offers impressive low-light performance, dynamic range, and color accuracy. With enhanced ISO sensitivity, photographers can confidently shoot in challenging lighting conditions without sacrificing image quality. The camera's autofocus system has also seen significant improvements, incorporating advanced tracking algorithms and eye detection technology to ensure sharp focus on subjects, whether they are moving quickly or standing still. Video capabilities have been upgraded as well, with the Z6 III supporting 4K video recording at higher frame rates. This makes it an attractive option for videographers looking for a versatile tool that can handle both photography and videography seamlessly. Additionally, the inclusion of in-body image stabilization ensures steady footage and sharp images, regardless of the shooting scenario. The Z6 III also boasts a more intuitive user interface and customizable controls, allowing photographers to tailor the camera to their specific shooting styles. The dual card slots provide flexibility for storage, enabling users to manage their files efficiently during long shoots. Number 2. Canon EOS R1. The Canon EOS R1 is poised to be a groundbreaking addition to Canon's renowned lineup of mirrorless cameras, setting a new standard in professional photography. As Canon's flagship model, the EOS R1 promises exceptional performance across various shooting scenarios, catering to the needs of both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a cutting-edge sensor, the EOS R1 is expected to deliver stunning image quality, with improved low-light performance and dynamic range that will elevate your photography to new heights. The anticipated high megapixel count will allow for incredible detail in every shot, making it ideal for landscape, portrait, and wildlife photography. One of the most exciting features of the EOS R1 is its advanced autofocus system, which is likely to incorporate Canon's latest AI-driven technology. This will enable rapid and precise focusing, even on moving subjects, making it a powerful tool for sports and action photography. The camera is expected to support real-time tracking and eye detection, ensuring that your subjects remain in sharp focus no matter the circumstances. In terms of video capabilities, the EOS R1 is rumored to offer robust 8K recording options, providing filmmakers with the tools needed for high-resolution content creation. Enhanced stabilization features are also anticipated, allowing for smooth and professional-looking footage even in challenging shooting conditions. Number 1. Sony A1 II. The Sony A1 II stands as a remarkable testament to Sony's prowess in the world of high-end photography and videography. This flagship mirrorless camera is designed for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike, boasting an impressive combination of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features. At the heart of the A1 II is a groundbreaking 35.9nm full-frame Exmor RS sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail, dynamic range, and low-light performance. This powerful sensor is paired with the latest BioNZ XR image processor, enabling lightning-fast processing speeds and the ability to shoot continuously at an astonishing 30 frames per second with the electronic shutter. But the advancements don't stop at still photography. The A1 II is equally adept at video, capable of recording in 8K at up to 30p and 4K at up to 120p, making it an ideal choice for filmmakers who demand the best. With advanced features like 10-bit 4.22 internal recording, S-Cinetone color profiles, and real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, this camera ensures that every moment is captured with breathtaking clarity. The design of the A1 II is another highlight, featuring a robust, weather-sealed body that can withstand challenging shooting conditions. The dual card slots offer flexibility for storage, while a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen LCD enhance the shooting experience, making it easier to compose shots from various angles.